Welcome back to day 13 of our Python 0 to Hero series. Imagine you are in a parking lot. You see many cars, a BMW, a Tesla, a Toyota. Then they are different cars but all belongs to the same category, car. In Python, car is called a class. Each individual car is called an object. Today we will learn how to create our own classes and objects. So first of all we can learn what is an OOP, means OOP, object oriented programming is a programming style where we create classes and objects to organize code. What is object oriented programming? Object oriented programming is a programming style where we create classes and objects to organize code. Real life example, think of a mobile phone. Every phone has properties, brand, color, price. What? First of all, think of a mobile phone. Every phone has properties like brand, color, price, actions, call, message, camera. In Python, properties are variables, actions, functions. Okay, properties are variables and actions are functions or methods. What is a class? A class is a blueprint or a template for creating an object. What? A class is a blueprint or a template for creating objects. For example, blueprint of a house 1, house 2, house 3. The blueprint is the class. Each house is an object. So first of all we can create your first class. So for that you need to write like this, means class student pass. So line by line explanation. First line explains that class is a keyword to create class. Student is the class name. Student is the class name and we need to give these codes. And by convention, class name start with the capital letters. Okay. Pass. Pass means do nothing for now. Okay. Do nothing for now. Now we are going to create an object. For that we need to write like student 1 equal to student. Then print student 1. So student 1 equal to student, this gives create an object of a student class. So here we created a student 1 of object of class. Think of it like class equal to student and object equal to student 1. Constructor, constructor means init. Constructor automatically runs when an object is created. So what? A constructor automatically runs when an object is created. So here I will write, we write class student is to, means define it self, print student created. Student 1 equal to student. So def init is called a constructor. It runs automatically when an object is created. Self means what? Refers to the current object. Think of it as say this particular student created. Attributes variable. Now we are going to learn about attributes, or it is called variables. So diff self name age, self dot name equal to name, self dot age equal to age. Int self name age, self dot name equal to name, self dot age equal to age. Student 1 equal to student Rahul 20. Print student 1 dot name, print student 1 dot age. Student object creation, student age Rahul comma 20. Self dot name will give Rahul self dot age equal to 20. Remember, student 1 name equal to Rahul and age equal to 20. So what is that? First of all, we created the class, and if means whenever the object is created, it automatically runs, automatically construction is run. Def int self comma age comma means name comma age, self dot name equal to name, self dot age equal to age. Methods are functions inside a class. Def int self comma a name, def greet self, print allowed comma self dot name, student 1 equal to student Rahul, student 1 dot greet. Greet belongs to the student class. When we write student 1 dot greet, Python automatically pass to self equal to student 1. Allow Rahul will be created. So here we greeted, that means greet belongs to the student class. When we write greet, automatically pass and allow Rahul will be in the output. Multiple objects like allow means we created like that, and if created allow self dot name, so what will be the answer? Allow Rahul and allow Anu. Both objects uses the same class but stores different data. Real life example: car, class car, def in int self brand color, self dot brand equal to brand, self dot color equal to color. Def details self, print brand self comma def dot brand color self dot color. So the brand will be Tesla and color will be black. Self comma this brand, self dot brand equal to brand, self dot color equal to color. Car 1 equal to car self Tesla comma black. Car 1 dot details. Self explained. Many beginners get confused about self. For example, class person, def in int self comma name, self dot name equal to name, p1 person Alex, p2 person John, p1 dot name Alex. Internally reads it like p2 dot name John. Self always point to the current object. So we are moving to the mini project student management. So class student, def int means self comma name comma mark, self dot name equal to name, self dot mark equal to name, def display self, print name self name, marks self marks, student Rahul 95, Anu 88. So common mistake we will read that wrong, like def greet, we need to use self, forgetting to create an object, that self dot greet. Correct is student equal to student Rahul, student dot greet. So practice question that I will given, that I have given homework project employee details, self salary, like that we have done. Interview questions. What is object-oriented programming? Is a programming approach that organizes code using classes and objects. Is a programming approach that organizes code using classes and object. What is a class? A class is a blueprint used to create object. Class is a blueprint used to create object using classes and object. Object-oriented program is a programming approach that organizes code using classes and object. What is object? Is an instance of a class. What is self? Self refers to the current object and it is used to access its contribute and method. What is a constructor? Method is a constructor that automatically runs when an object is created. Congratulations, you now understood the basics of object-oriented programming, one of the most powerful concepts in Python. Classes and objects are used in web development, game development, automation, AI, and many real-world applications. In Day 14, we will build real-world Python projects by combining everything you have learned so far: conditions, loops, functions, file handling, dictionary, and hope to create complete application.